Hey guys, David here, and welcome to Digital Outlook. And boy, do we have an amazing show for you today. XRP prints its first Golden Cross of 2024. So guys, let's get to it. So guys, we all know that there is a lot of excitement in this space right now, and especially for the altcoins because of what a lot of folks believe is going to happen within just a few weeks here. We are literally only a couple to 3 weeks away from the Bitcoin halving, and it has traditionally been a time where Bitcoin kind of staggers out and retraces a little bit, and right after that, boom, these markets absolutely soar. Well, guys, in confluence to that, something really great has happened right here for XRP. Now, just check this article right here. XRP posts first 2024 Golden Cross amid price uncertainty. And there were a lot of folks that thought that XRP was going to miss it completely and was not going to tag it. But guys, it actually happened. Now, this occurrence coincides with a period of market uncertainty during which most cryptocurrencies see profit taking. XRP, the sixth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, has posted its first Golden Cross of the year. Now, guys, this literally came out today around noon hour on March the 18th. So what's it saying down here? A technical indicator that has historically signaled the potential for a bullish market trend. This occurrence coincides with a period of market uncertainty during which most cryptocurrencies saw profit taking. A golden cross occurs when a shorter-term moving average, such as the 50-day moving average, crosses above a longer-term moving average like the 200-day moving average. This indicator is widely regarded by traders and analysts as a potential signal that indicates a long-term bull market emerging. Guys, with what's coming next, most folks and technical analysts are out there saying, hey, this could be one of the biggest alt seasons that this space has ever seen. And one of the most underappreciated assets in these altcoins has got to absolutely be XRP. Now, XRP's recent price action has been a battleground for the bulls and bears, where the token value is experiencing significant fluctuations. The formation of the Golden Cross has brought a glimmer of hope to investors, suggesting that a change in momentum might be on the horizon. For XRP, the Golden Cross is more than simply a technical occurrence. It represents resilience. Despite the current market drop, XRP has reached a level that many in the community see as an indication of oncoming growth. Guys, something I want you to always keep in mind is this. XRP, from the very time it was created until now, has never, and I mean never, not once ever, left the top 10 for market cap, including all that time under the SEC's boot with this entire lawsuit. Now, just think about that. How many of these assets could sustain that kind of pressure and yet still maintain their position in the top 10 for all of these digital assets? I don't think too many, that is for sure. Now, the Golden Cross is a positive indicator, but it does not guarantee future performance. Well, I'll tell you what, if you've been in this space for any time at all, you absolutely know there are no guarantees. But guys, it's like they say, history doesn't repeat, but boy, does it ever rhyme. And we have been here before, and boy, does it ever feel like it felt last time around when we were right at this same point. I'll tell you what. Now, however, for many, the Golden Cross is a beacon of optimism, implying that XRP may see more positive momentum in the days ahead. Following a rapid rise, XRP fell from 74 cents on March 12th, showing that the bears are firmly defending that level. The bulls attempted to turn to 67 cents into support, but again, bears had different intentions. They proceeded to sell, bringing the price back below that 67 cents. Now, the selling increased further as XRP fell to a low of 61.8 cents on March 17th before rebounding. And guys, at the time of this recording, last I looked, XRP was at 66 cents. At the time of writing, XRP was up 0.01% in the previous 24 hours, reaching 61 cents. According to all signs, XRP may consolidate in a wide range, get this guys, between 50 and 74 cents for some time before its next major rise. A break and close above 74 cents will mark the beginning of a fresh upward swing towards $1. Well, I'll tell you what. If we get to see XRP back down in there in that 50-cent ranges, in my estimation, that is going to represent one of the biggest opportunities that we have ever seen in this space, considering where we are right now. Because guys, I'm telling you what, I absolutely believe 100% that we are going to see a turnaround in this market, and these altcoins are going to literally take off. That is my personal belief. Now, check this article out right over here. Exciting times in the altcoin market. What's next for XRP? Just listen to this. Altcoin markets are experiencing exciting times, like what we were saying. XRP has followed a steady course above the 62 cent today, compensating for its decline over the weekend. However, this stabilization occurs in the shadow of events that will take place in coming days. So what developments and levels are expected for the XRP price in coming days? Well, listen to what's coming up here. On March 18th, the Digital Asset Summit 2024 will bring together leading names in the world of crypto assets. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Senior Vice President Marcus Infanger, sorry Marcus, will discuss the future of the crypto world. So that's going to be going on. Now, something else is coming up in March here. The XRP Gold Coast Conference, which is scheduled for March 22nd to 24th, will be an eagerly awaited event for the XRP and Ripple community. The conference will serve as a platform for sharing vital information about the future of XRP. Now, guys, Judy and I really contemplated going to this conference, but the deal is this: we had to choose between that and the XRP Vegas one with the way our schedule is going. So guys, we are absolutely looking forward to XRP Vegas coming up in May. I think it's going to be absolutely stupendous. The last time that we were there, last year, I'm telling you, it did not feel like a conference. It felt like a family reunion. It was the best conference, and we have been to a multiplicity of these conferences that we have been to, and I have to give credit to Brad Kimes there. That guy did an amazing job setting that up, and we really cannot wait for this one coming up in May. Now, in addition to these exciting events, another significant date is approaching on March 22nd. The deadline, get this guys, for the case between the SEC and Ripple. This date is when the SEC will present its opening summary, holds critical importance for the XRP community. The outcome of the case could be influential in determining the future of the altcoin. Well, guys, we know that. We know exactly where we are now. Get this. In articles that we have read just in the past week, the SEC is not going to appeal the XRP status decision by Judge Annalisa Torres. They are not going to appeal that XRP has been designated not to be a security in and of itself. That is not on the table, guys. What they're talking about is the institutional sales and the remedy that they are wanting to squeeze out of Ripple for any institutional sales that they did. And guys, I genuinely believe it's not going to be as high a figure as what most people think. It may be high in comparison to what we can, if we were looking at writing the check ourselves, but I do not believe it's going to be up there in the 700 plus million. That is for sure. Now, regarding XRP's price, a decrease in supply on exchanges. Get that, guys. Listen close. You're talking about a supply shock that could be coming in a big way. And active addresses is observed. This situation signals that there could be a recovery or increase in XRP's price in the upcoming period. XRP has recently gained stability above a certain level, drawing attention. After leaving the 57-cent support behind, the altcoin has settled above 62 cents, signaling a potential rise towards that 74-cent level, which is what we just read in the last article. The 60-cent level serves as a psychological reference point for XRP. Similarly, the asset has rebounded several times from the 57-cent level in the past 2 months, highlighting its significance. Therefore, the price could test the 57 or 60-cent support and gain momentum towards the highest level of 74 cents, guys. Now, this down here says, listen to this, red bars on the awesome oscillator for XRP suggest a correction is possible. And like I said, should we see that happen in this space, I believe it's going to represent one of the biggest buying opportunities that we have ever had. Now, I'll tell you what, buying in my estimation, or dips in my estimation, is for buying and certainly not for crying. Do you want to be, look, when we were down there in those 50 cents and people had not yet reached their accumulation goals, did they feel really great at buying XRP when it was in the 70-cent range? Not in your life. Guys, we all want to get it as cheap as possible, reach our goals, and then we want them to send it to the moon. Isn't that right? So listen to this right here. Yet the XRP price increase trend remains strong. The relative strength index is around 44.61, close to a neutral value, indicating no significant change in the current trend of XRP price. If the daily candlestick closes above that 62-cent level, it could indicate that the XRP price may rise towards the highest level of March 11th and that the support is strengthening. Well, guys, I'll tell you what, something really big has happened in this space. And of course, we're talking about the automated market makers coming out. Well, just read this article right over here. XRP Ledger Validator successfully deploys XRP on an upcoming automated market maker. Listen to this. VET, a DUNL validator on the XRP Ledger, recently demonstrated the successful deployment of XRP in an XRP US dollar pool on the upcoming XRP Ledger automated market maker. In the demonstration, VET leveraged Orchestra Finance on AMM decentralized exchange built atop the XRP ledger to add 20 XRP worth about $12 at the time and $12.25 worth of USDC to the XRP USDC pool on the DevNet version of the upcoming automated market maker. Before deploying the tokens to the liquidity pool, the DUNL validator first connected his DevNet as Zaman wallet to the orchestrated finance platform. For the uninitiated, the developer network is a network environment tailored for software development and testing. It allows developers to experiment and debug code in a controlled environment before deploying it to production. DevNets simulate real-world conditions to resemble production environments for more accurate testing. The XRP Ledger automated market maker already exists on the DevNet, allowing developers to test its performance. Well, here's one guy that goes out there and they got a solid, successful test on it. And guys, this is the deal. With these automated market makers, it could potentially allow you and I an opportunity to earn passive income from our XRP. How? By absolutely providing liquidity to these liquidity pools. And as a liquidity pool provider, you will receive these liquidity pool tokens. And as a result, you share in the fees of those exchanges on the decentralized exchanges on the DEX. Now, the thing is this. A lot of people are out there, and I've just gotten some recent questions about whether or not you can go out there and stake your XRP. Well, XRP is not a native proof of stake blockchain. As we know, it's a consensus algorithm. It's not even blockchain if you get right down to brass tacks. But the thing is this, a lot of these platforms that are offering these high yields, if you'll delegate your XRP over to them, they literally get the keys. Well, guys, in my estimation, that represents tremendous risk. And why is that? Well, we've watched some of these platforms literally collapse. And what happens to your XRP? Well, poof, it's gone. You don't get it, do you? Guys, if you don't hold the keys, you don't hold the crypto. Well, in these AMMs, you are absolutely going to be able to hold on to the custody or basically the control of your XRP. You can pull it out at any time. And the deal is this, you will see the opportunity to earn passive income, different from staking. Now, is there risk associated? Yes, but it is significantly reduced from absolutely giving it to these delegators and letting them utilize your XRP to gain profit to pay you, some sort of staking reward, which, guys, in most cases is absolute hooey, at least in my estimation. Now, the result of VET's demonstration suggests that the automated market feature is actually performing optimally as the broader XRP ledger community anticipates its arrival in the next 4 days. And boy, I cannot wait to do an absolute deep dive once we see this thing going live. I'll tell you what. Notably, after depositing the 20 XRP and the $12.20 worth of USDC to the XRP USDC liquidity pool, VET received 15,692 liquidity pool tokens after the network confirmed the transactions. Data showed that the XRP USDC pool boasts 4.6 billion liquidity pool tokens worth 8.26 million. For context, that represents the total worth of the tokens in the pool, which provide liquidity for market participants seeking to swap XRP for USDC or USDC for XRP. The swaps would attract a trading fee of 0.481%, with the accumulation fees distributed to the liquidity providers, including VET. And guys, that is basically how it works. And I think it's going to be absolutely amazing to see what happens when this thing goes full bore. Now, guys, you got all this stuff going on here. We have all of these events coming in and taking place here in March. And I think March, the rest of this month is going to be totally amazing. And who knows what's going to be coming out of these things and what Brad Garlinghouse may reveal or what we'll find out from the Gold Coast XRP Summit. But guys, there's always amazing information that comes out around these times. And here we are at this exact juncture, printing the very first Golden Cross of 2024 for XRP. Guys, I'm telling you what, get out there, do your research, get educated in this space and big time, because one of these days this train is going to leave the station and boom, because it can happen, and it usually does happen way faster than what most people expect. And guys, I just don't want you to miss it. That's absolutely for sure. I want you standing right there in that winner circle when we cross that finish line. So guys, I will never forget how life-changing that last bull run was for Judy and I. And one thing that I am absolutely grateful for is that we took the time to get our plan in place before the thing absolutely took off. And if you're waiting to get your plan in place, I'll tell you what, there is no better time than the present. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally one-on-one for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigitaloutlook.com and we'll get you all booked in. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, and as you know, it's not financial advice, it's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe, drop your comments down there in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.